Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickFunnels for sales funnel building step by step clearly. Visit the ClickFunnels website at www.clickfunnels.com. On the homepage, locate the orange Start Free Trial button. Click on the Start Free Trial button to proceed. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Once all fields are filled, click on the Get Started button. You may be prompted to choose a pricing plan. Select the plan that suits your business needs best. After choosing a plan, you will be asked to provide your payment information. Fill in your credit card details accurately. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Click on the Complete Order button to finalize your registration. Once your order is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your account. Log into your ClickFunnels account using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will be greeted with a dashboard. Take a moment to explore the features available on your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the menu options on the left side. Start creating your first sales funnel by clicking the Build Funnel button. Select a funnel type that aligns with your goals. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your funnel further. Once completed, review all settings and configurations. Finally, publish your sales funnel to make it live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.